Hello guys, my name is Agus Supriyatno. Here I will present a description of the apple plant. Apples are one of the most popular type of fruits next to orange and mango. As fresh fish apples are often sweet as parent. Accumulation seeds popular fish and offspring at Regulus ceremis. And here I will describe about the orange of the apple plant of the apple plant, fresh and dessert the apple plant. The original with ancestors of Malus domestic were Malus silverius, found growing well in the most of Central Asia in Squats, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, and Netherwest Chinese. Custard of the species Mosliski begin of the fruit flesh of the Tinsang mustard. Progression of at length of time and pyramid scandal. Integration of grain from out special into the pollen sheet. Silicon extraction will most silver the celebrate reduce interest provision in Apple buying more rather to transfer the most processing program miles salaries. Apple have been growing from thousands of years in Asia and Europe and which breaks to North American by Europa selection. The apple is at the truth 3 general steady 2 of 5 meter, tall in classification and up to 9 meter. In the world, the Casterford, the size, sprint and brand district are determined by rockstar, Celtrin and trimming method. The left and Altrander green, dark green, and color. Simple of wet strand maker and thinner down through understreet. Apple browns. Brown as the part in strength similar with the building of the left and are produced of sport and some long shot. The tree of 4 centimeter flower and with wind at spring thus grown five parent with at inversion containing of and ceremony with of 6 flower. The canter flower of the incursion if called the king bloom. The openness fit and can domestic left frame. The fresh in at from the master in at smart of outer and tolerant action in of with ranger of size. Communistan ground aim to pros and apple the 7 to x.5 centimeter in diameter. Due to make preference some centers experience to is in Japan Prof at long apple with apple bloom 5 centimeter at general use of making juicy and have left frank make lover. The skill of wrapped apple in general red, yellow, green, pink of precision. The host may brand of teeth called Celivity my bright front. The skin may ash be with of parent surgeon, red and brown. The skin is covered in preferred in line as apparent. The of flashing in general fresh yellow with pink yellow green as front as continue. The apple trees at subspreadsprint to at number of the flowing and beneath discrete and interesting present. My complementary order portion or program of Telemini trying to manage Higgs fruit quality, 3 healthy and Higgs healthy. The problem the of salary presently there some out present of Albert. Original most interesting for interesting interpretation in the natural process to root of the population of Persian press. Milton is the cherubim Felix grand prouder part appreciating the living. Such as love flowing number is playing the flowing the ceremony yellow color and do not differing characteristically. This can add the simulation to practice eliminating the continent, the cost, the dish, and bring the 11 plan and MS recommended action. Alfred are small interested. Five species of Alfred's community attack apple, apple green apple, red apple, aphids, apple aphids, spiral aphids, and the wood apple aphid. The aphid species can be identified by color, time of year, and by definition in the commensurate male project from test rate. Aphid free on flying ocean nights like after press to stock out plant juice. With present it high number, Catherine species red through ground and free ground. Apple strap counter of left the delivering offering brown spot with effluent texture. The lever turned brown and because strap left in the texture. The describe arch offering the form with a large difference with brown spot at this frame a chocolate structure. Apple strap in spring turn from growing in the apple left on the green aspiring drying water spring with to enforce the new year's growing. So my presentation for me is there and coming and exploring as much as possible. Thank you.